Ever wondered how AI is transforming our lives? Let's dive in and find out. AI technology is advancing at lightning speed. From virtual assistants that understand our voices to algorithms analyzing massive data sets, AI is revolutionizing industries. In healthcare, it's helping doctors diagnose diseases faster. In finance, it's catching fraud before it happens. These innovations are driving efficiency and creativity across the board. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI isn't perfect, it can be biased. If trained on biased data, it can lead to unfair decisions in hiring or law enforcement. And let's not forget privacy concerns. AI collects tons of personal data, and the risk of misuse is real. Now, what about jobs? AI will create new roles like AI ethics officers, but it might also replace traditional jobs. Automation could hit manufacturing and customer service hard. That's why reskilling is crucial. Workers need new skills to stay relevant, and collaboration between governments, businesses, and schools is key. In conclusion, AI offers huge potential and big challenges. We must stay vigilant about ethics and support those impacted by these changes. It's a critical time in tech evolution, and together, we can shape a future that works for everyone. Thanks for watching.